Welcome back, teacher! Ngayon ay nandito na tayo sa kung paano natin i-download yung ating TOS at yung ating examination. This is our step 2 in generating our exam. So, first you go to term exam dashboard after tayo nakapag-log in. And then, titingnan natin yung exams na ginawa natin and which are already approved. And then after that, kiklik natin yung print button. Di-display niya sa atin yung ating TOS for that particular exam, including our examination documents. So, ang gagawin natin dyan ay ikiklik lamang natin itong dalawang buttons na ito. When you click download TOS, mag-generate siya ng PDF at magsisave ng TOS sa inyong device. So, ito na ngayon yung iyong magiging TOS na iyong pipirmahan at ibibigay mo ngayon sa iyong school principal for signature. Never mind the items there, we will just be fixing kung meron mang mga invalid location of the items and the number of items displayed on the screen. So this is now our TOS, and then after that, babalik tayo doon sa portal, kiklik natin yung download exam, magge-generate ulit siya ng exam in PDF file, and this is your examination. So, as you can see, nakalagay ang school name, nakalagay ang subject teacher, at saka yung iyong grade level and saka section. Therefore, each teacher should generate yung sarili niyang exam. Hindi pwedeng kopyahin ng isang teacher ang exam ng kabilang sections. Kasi nga, we are doing the contextualization of our exam based sa ating learner, and at the same time, we are doing this for easy item analysis. Kaya, ito po yung ating pinaka-rules. Kaya nilagyan na natin dyan ng school name, tsaka subject teacher, grade and section para hindi tayo magkakapalitan ng ating examination papers. Then, we have the QR code to verify kung sino ang gumawa ng exam, sino ang nag-generate, at kung yung exam ba na yan ay approve or not. So, kapag in-scan natin yung QR code na yan, magbibigay sa atin yan ng information ng examinations. So, this examination is now ready for printing. As you can see, wala kayong nakikitang answer key dyan because ang answer key ay separate nating makukuha yan kapag ka-inapprove na ng APS yung distribution ng ating answer key. So, paano nga ba natin makukuha yung ating answer key? Ganito lamang yon. Hintayin natin na ma-approve ng EPS. So, babalik tayo sa ating term exam dashboard. Ayan. Itong key na button na yan, mag-a-activate yan kapag ni-release na ng ating EPS yung ating answer key. At kapag ni-release na ng EPS yung answer key, pag clinic mo yan, ibibigay niya sa'yo yung answer key ng exam mo. That's our step 2 and see you sa ating next step.